If your bookmarks bar disappeared in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore it in just a few seconds. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if you use bookmarks often and want faster access to your favorite websites. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the Chrome browser window since these steps are done directly inside Chrome. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to settings, tools, and view options. Click the three dots to open the menu. Once the menu opens, move your mouse over bookmarks and lists. Don't click away too fast, just hover over it. When you do that, a side menu will appear with more bookmark options. Now in that side menu, click Show Bookmarks Bar. As soon as you select it, the Bookmarks bar should appear right below the address bar at the top of Chrome. If you already had bookmarks saved, you should now be able to see them again instantly. And that's it. Your Bookmarks bar is restored in Google Chrome. If you want to hide it again later, you can repeat the same steps and toggle the option off. So now you know both how to show and how to manage it whenever you need. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful browser tips, Windows fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.